Buenos tardes, amigos. Hola, mi llamo es G.A. Hola, Experimental Girl.
Hola.
As you can tell, this is not a test. You're smack dab in the middle of an Uncle Dan's taco salad. Cinco de Mayo, baby.
My favorite.
Oh, okay. Now, we're doing the Speedy Gonzalez version of this because some of our amigos have said, hey, we would like your videos to be muy rápido. Bueno, okay. So, what we did was we took some of the mayonnaise and the buttermilk, and then some of Uncle Dan's Chipotle Ranch, or as we like to call it today, Chipotle El Rancho. And then we put it in here, and then you have to take the whisk like this, and you know what to do with that, right?
Whip it.
Whip it good. Real good, okay? Once you've got it whipped up, what you've done here with all the ingredients in this bowl, we took some hamburger. Now, I'm not going to lie, I didn't cook the hamburger, but I did help brown the meat.
Yes.
Okay, and while we were browning the meat, we added some of Uncle Dan's Zesty Ranch, or Zesty El Rancho, to season the meat. Then we mixed it into the bowl with cheese, onions, black beans, also, what else did we put? Oh, avocados.
Avocado.
Yeah, I picked the avocado, by the way.
Yes, okay. You did, and it was perfectly ripe. I think we have a few olives.
Yes.
And some cilantro.
Yes, and then what you do after you get all this done, first you do this a little bit for good luck.
Did you get it good and tossed yet?
Did I what?
You should toss it before you put the dressing, and then put the dressing and toss it again. I'm not saying it.
Okay, so that's what these big bad boys are for. My cereal spoons.
That's right.
Okay, so you want to, mix
Get
it up.
Get that all mixed up.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, it looks like a fiesta in a bowl.
Yes, we're mixing the salad. You know, what else do they say? Yeah, okay.
Okay. Now we want to add some dressing and...
Yes, now we add, you don't do the whole thing, just what you think you and your family might want, but then you just kind of go over the... Look at that. Is that good or what? Ooh.
And taco salad's fun because you can do whatever you want. You can do chicken, you can do just plain veggies. Yeah, there you go.
Now, you don't have to do that part unless you want to.
Yeah.
So, now what you do is you serve yourself. Get this out of the bowl. That looks good, doesn't it?
All those good ingredients.
There you go.
You've got a taco in a bowl.
Yes. Now, the coup de grace, which is French, not Spanish, is these chips. Okay, you take them after you've washed your hands, crunch them up, sprinkle them over.
There you go.
And you've got an Uncle Dan's taco salad, and you are ready to rock your Cinco de Mayo.
Does that taste?
Es bueno. Es muy bueno.